Ça passe! My discharge petition to extend temporary protected status for 3 years just passed the House with a 224 victory comprised of independents, Democrats, and Republicans. This has been a fight and an effort in the making for many, many weeks. We have had my team and I, an aggressive whip effort to earn these votes, both sides of the aisle. And now we are off to the Senate, I think, with an impressive and decisive mandate about the need to extend temporary protected status for our Haitian neighbors, 360,000 Haitian nationals that call this country home, who contribute to civic life, to culture, to our workforce, and to our economy. And understanding this fight was not just in defense of my constituents. I represent the third largest Haitian diaspora in the country. I co-chair the House Haiti Caucus. It's not just in defense of the 350,000 Haitian nationals that call this country home. It's in defense of each and every one of us because of the roles that they play in community.